I will analyze the poem I Too Sing America by Langston Hughes, written in 1926. I too sing America. I am the darker brother. They sent me to eat in the kitchen when company comes. But I laugh and I eat well and grow strong. Tomorrow I'll be at the table when company comes. Nobody'll dare say to me, eat in the kitchen then. Besides, they'll see how beautiful I am and be ashamed I too am. This poem, I think, is mainly about the black people in America, and I think the company is a symbol for the world. So the white people are trying to hide black people from the world, and because they're ashamed of them. But even though that they hide them from the world, the blacks wanted them, and he, Langston Hughes, compares the black and the white together in verse 5, 6, and 7, where he says, but I eat but I laugh and I eat well and I grow strong. And that's the things that the white people are also doing. They're not different at all, except the color of the skin. The composition in the poem is 3 stanzas and a single verse, one in the beginning and one in the end. And I think you can compare this poem to the American Dream, because the person in the poem develops through the poem, and gets more confident and gets more respect, because we can see in the start he's eating in the kitchen, and in the next stanza he's sitting at the table with the company and the important people. And the theme of the story, I would probably say it was racial problems or racism. As we see, it's a lot about the skin, the color of the skin. And if we compare this to Walt Whitman's poem, I Hear America Singing, Langston Hughes doesn't feel like the Afro-American people or society are included in his poem. So this is kind of like his response to the poem.